It's a 2012 Ford Expedition EL. In the face of challenging situations, this Expedition EL is calm and ready to conquer. It comes with the features you need and, better yet, want. Streaming audio, wireless phone connectivity, power adjustable pedals, auto dimming rearview mirror, 4 12-volt power outlets, leather steering wheel, V8 engine, aluminum wheels, gas pressurized shocks, and power heated mirrors. Car and Driver notes Ford claims the third-row seats in either Expedition are designed to accommodate adults up to 6'2", but we did them 5 better and stuffed a 6'7" goose in the back. Built on tradition, built to last. Ford. You'll never know until you try. Test drive it today.
We're confident we have the right used car, truck, or SUV for you. Stop in and see us today at 2008 US Highway 19 in Holiday, Florida.